Hello and welcome to Soft Expert. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a WordPress website using AI for free. So within a few minutes, you will get a website up and running. I will show you how to get a proper domain name and hosting. Then we will use WordPress, which is the most widely used platform for creating websites, because 43% of all websites on the internet are powered by WordPress and it's free. After that, we will install a free plugin. Then we will write a few sentences about the website that we need. Then we can pick some relevant stock images or we can upload our own images. Finally, AI will generate a complete website along with the content and the images we selected. If you enjoyed this video, then please like it and subscribe to my channel, and let's jump into it. The first thing is you will need to have a domain name and hosting for your website. A domain name is basically your website name or URL, and hosting will be your online storage where you can store your website files including WordPress, where you can manage databases, domains, emails and so on. So to get a proper domain name and hosting, just follow this link in the description. It will take you to this page, and based on your country, this will redirect to your country specific page. And then just click on WordPress and go to Manage WordPress Hosting, and make sure you are on Manage WordPress Hosting page, and then scroll down and you will see the pricing plans here. So with all these plans, you will get a free domain, free build templates, free SSL, free emails and so on. So based on your need, you can pick any of these plans. Let's choose this one. Then it will take you to checkout, where you can buy this domain and hosting for 1 month, 12 months, 24 and 48. So the more time you choose here, the more discount you will get. Then scroll down. Here you can create an account or you can log in with your Gmail or Facebook. Scroll down. Here you can select a payment method and you can pay for this domain name and hosting. And after that, you can grab your free domain name and you can install WordPress on it. I have a detailed video about it. So this was just my recommendation for domain name and hosting. And after installing WordPress, you will see a dashboard like this. Now you can go ahead and install a theme and plugins, and you can start creating the website. And as we will generate an AI website, so before that we will need to use another platform. So just follow this link in the description, which will take you to ZipWP. This is the platform. You can see create a stunning WordPress website in 60 seconds with AI. We will see this in action live, okay? You can just click on sign up for free. And again, you can see the features here: free for your plan, no coding skill required, powered by WordPress, fast and easy, drag and drop, and no login. So just create a free account using your Gmail or continue with your email and you will be good to go. You can do the same in WordPress dashboard. Let me show you. And here we don't have any plugins installed and we need a plugin to start with. So just go to plugins, add new plugin, and here search for starter templates. And you will see this plugin, starter templates, Elementor WordPress templates. And this is by the Brainstorm, same company that are powering Extra Theme, Spectra and so on. So just install and activate this. And once you activate the plugin, this will take you to its dashboard, and here you can see AI website builder and classic starter templates. This was the previous method where we chose a template with Elementor or something, and then we will have to customize that and so on. Now in this video, we are going to explore the AI website builder, okay? So we will just click on this, try the new AI builder. And building a website has never been this easy, and here is how you can create a website. So create a free account on ZipWP that I showed you, and then describe your dream website. Watch AI craft your website instantly. Refine the website with easy drag and drop builder, and then launch it, okay? So just click on let's get started. It's free. And this will open up that same page that I just showed you. Here you can just click on sign up with email and then write your email. Your first name, last name, and then a password. And then click on create account. And it will send you a verification code to your email address. Just write it here. And this is my code. And we'll verify and continue. And almost there, we will just click on continue. And now this will open up this AI dashboard where we can describe our website. So this is the name of our website. I'll write something like, this will be my website name, okay? And the website is for, so this is for an agency, restaurant, entrepreneur, event and so on. And here you can choose the website category, okay? So I'll just select agency and the language will be English, which is fine. And we'll click on continue. And here I'll have to describe my website. Please describe Soft Expert in a few words, okay? So I'll write some details about the website that I need, okay? Now I write this, but if you want to improve your writing using AI, you can just click on improve using AI. and this will improve the description that you edit here. Okay, so you can see dynamic web agency specializing in crafting bespoke WordPress websites and so on. Okay, so the best way to describe anything is by answering W's like who, what, where, why, when. Okay, you can describe your website by these. Then just click on continue. Now, how people get in touch with Soft Expert? Here you can write your email, phone number and address if you want to display them on your website. Okay, so I'll just write it, and I'll write a phone number just for example like this, and address. Okay, now if you want to add any social media, just click on it and you can select a social media like Facebook, and you can write your own URL here like this one. Now this is not valid, so I'll just remove it and we'll click on continue. And this will show you some relevant images that you can use on your website, like the laptop images, website, WordPress and so on. So these images will be generated based on the description of your website. Okay, you can select any of these images that you want to use on your website. Let's say this one, I would like to use this. So you can pick the images that you want to use on your website. Okay, if you are not happy with these images, then scroll up and click on upload your images. Then you can upload your own images here. Okay, for example, I'll click on it, and here I can drag and drop images from my computer. For example, I uploaded this one. Okay, I'll just select it, and now one image is selected, and I can use these images also. Now the selected images are 6. Okay, so this is very simple. Just select the images that you want to use and then click on continue. And you can see agency and SaaS. Now this will generate some templates that I can use on this website. For example, this one. You can also check the preview. You can see a complete website just in a few seconds. This is another one. Now I can pick any of these. Let's scroll down. And this one is also looking good. So basically you can use any of these templates. Okay, so let's go with this one. I'll just click on it. Now this will open up the quick customization page where you can customize the fonts and colors, and you can also add your own logo here. To add a logo instead of this text, just click on it, then upload your logo image. Okay, let's say, so I'll use this logo. Okay, we'll select it. You can also change the logo width and height here, and if you want to hide this title, just click on it. And then these are some font families that you can use. Now we are using this one. If you want to change it, click another one, and you will see the changes over here. So you can use any of these fonts. Same goes for the colors. If you want to change the colors like this one, you can change the colors quickly. This is another one, and so on. So you can see with a few clicks we can customize the website as well. Now you can further customize this website later in the customization tab that I'll show you. Okay, for now let's go with the first color, which was fine. Okay, and then I'll just click on continue. And then you can select some features that you want on your website, like donations, sales funnel, free live chat, automation, video player and so on. So if you want any of these, you can just select it. Like I need a video player, so I'll just select this. For now I only need the live chat, so I'll just select it, and we'll click on start building. And we are building your website, so let's wait for it. This will take a minute. And that's it. Oh, your website is ready. You did it. Your brand new website is all set to shine online. If you want to see your website, just click on see your website, and there we go. This is our logo, and this is the navigation menu, and this was the page that we chose with the selected images, and you can see the content are generated by AI. Again, read more, call to actions and so on. So you can see a complete website with a few clicks with the AI generated content and images. And we'll also check about page. So this is our about page, services, and the services will be displayed on the content that I provide. Okay, WordPress development, e-commerce platforms, website optimization and so on. Now let's go back to home page, and let me show you how you can further customize the website. If you want to change any text or image, you can just click on edit page. Okay, now I'm on the home page, so I'll edit the home page. I'll just click on it, and let's close this. Now I can customize this website just by drag and drop like Elementor. Okay, if I click here, I can write further text, and if you want to change this title, just remove it and write your own title. Custom crafted website, so I'll write something like this. Same goes for this one. If you click here, you can change this text. If you want to change any image, just click on it, then click on replace, and you can upload an image or you can open media library and you can use from these images. Okay, these are the images that we already have on the website. If you want to upload more, just drag and drop images here. For example, I uploaded this one and we'll select it, and that will change this image. Okay, and in this way you can change all the images. And if you want to change the image alignment, you can just align this to center, right or left, and you can have an overlay on the image. You can change the image size, the image width and height, and so on. So all these will be dependent on you. You can also switch your style tab if you want to do further styling, and also in the advanced tab we have these animations like fade in, fade down and so on. Okay, you can see it over here. Then you can hide this image on desktop, mobile or tablet. This is the Z index and these are the advanced. So in this way you can customize the whole website. Okay, if you want to change it, just click here and you can make changes to this counter. If you want to select the block, just click here. This will select the whole block. Again, if you want to select this whole container, just click on it. Now this is selected. Same goes for this text. You can just click on it. You can write your own text and so on. Then scroll down. Same goes for all these sections. If you want to add a new section to the website, you can just drag and drop things like container. Now you can select any container like 3-column layout, 4 columns in this shape. Let's say 3 columns. And I can add further items here like heading and an image or a button. So you can add new sections, you can customize the existing sections. Let's select it. I'll just click here and we'll delete it. And finally just click on update to save your changes. Okay, and page updated. Let's view it, and you can see we have changed this title and also this image. And if you go to contact page, here you can scroll down and you will see your contact detail here, like the phone number that we entered, the email, the address, and also a form. If you want to customize this form, if you want to add new fields, you can just edit this page and you can add new fields. Let me show you quickly. And let's scroll down and click on this form, and again you can change the style, the alignment and so on. And if you want to add a new field, just click on this plus, and you can add this name, email, hidden field, phone number, text area, checkbox and so on. If you want to add more fields, just click on browse all and you can use these fields. Okay, let's say I want to use a date figure, so I'll just drag it and that's it. Now again I can click on update, we'll view page, scroll down. So we have added this field, the date picker. So this was how you can create an AI website using WordPress absolutely for free within a few minutes. And to learn more about WordPress, Elementor and WooCommerce, just follow my channel. And still, if you have any questions about this video, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.